guys, welcome to Hello, including those witches and wizards watching this video. I'm Haven, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on this magical drink called butterbeer. But before we go, I wanted to let you know, for the month of July, we're going to be doing nothing but Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts themed videos in honor of Harry Potter's birthday. Now let's go ahead and get on to this magical tutorial. Here are the supplies you will need for this tutorial. Powdered sugar, cream soda, heavy whipping cream, butterscotch, butter extract, and also caramel extract. I'll list everything down below that you need. So let's go ahead and get on to this tutorial. Okay, so first we're gonna whip up our toppings. So we're gonna get 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and pour it into our bowl and then mix it with the mixer. Taking our mixer, we're gonna go ahead and blend the heavy whipping cream. After that's nice and creamy, we're gonna go ahead and add ½ cup of butterscotch. Now we're going to pour the ½ cup of butterscotch into the heavy whipping cream. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar to our butterscotch and heavy whipping cream. Now that all the ingredients are in there, now we're going to go ahead and start blending to make it fluffy. Let's try a little taste test of our topping. That's really good. Go ahead and pop this here. Now let's go ahead and move on to the soda. Now take some chill cream soda and go ahead and pour it into a pitcher or any container. There we go. Now that your cream soda is poured, you're going to go ahead and pour 1/4 teaspoon of caramel extract and butter extract. Right there. Now let's go ahead and mix. Now take your cup of choice. This is mine, and I actually got this from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, and go ahead and pour some cream soda in. So here it is. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our topping to our butterbeer. Here is our magical butterbeer. This looks so good. Now let's go ahead and taste test this. This is really good. This tastes like the one at the park. Oh my gosh, guys. I have a little mustache. I really recommend this. Cheers to the boy who lived. This is so good. If you did like this video, then go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell because you'll be magically notified whenever I post a new video. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and yeah, bye!